आमचें जर चरित्र जें आसा तें एकदम सोज्वळ दवरून जर कितें आमी अचीव करता आनी मागीर आमी इन्फ्लुएन्सर जाता तर तातूंत म्हाका खूब म्हत्व दिसता. कितें मेळटात की आमकां फेम मेळटा किंवा आमी इन्फ्लुएन्सर जाता किंवा आमी फेमस जाता आमी पावरफूल जाता तें घेवन ब्लेसींग देवाचें जेन्ना आमी दुसऱ्यां खातीर वावुरतात जेन्ना दुसऱ्यां खातीर आमी आमचो जीव अर्पण करता अँड दॅट टू सेल्फलेसली कितेंच अपेक्षा न करता दॅट is influencing for me.
Sometime we came across 2-3 YouTubers where they take, sometime they remove some videos, odd videos, at the cost of the police. So that should be avoided.
Health and nutrition, and I think as influencers we expect something called as a corporate social responsibility. So you could take it up as a social responsibility and you could help our department to pass on the message of eating right and eating healthy, and that's very important. Today our health is dependent on what we eat.
की एका मोठ्या स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकान एक वाक्य म्हणिल्लें, देहाकडून देवाकडे जाताना वाटेत देश लागतो आणि त्या देशाचं आपण देणं लागतो. की हांव जें कितें करतां ताजो परिणाम म्हज्या गोंयचेर आनी म्हज्या देशाचेर कितें जावपाचो आसा आनी जर तो वायट जावपाचो आसा जाल्यार कितलेंय मोठें जरी हांयस असलें तरी हांव तें करचो ना.
This time when I saw this EFE 55, I was thinking why this is happening here. So all film stars, everybody are getting gathered here. Then I felt something is left out or somebody is left out in this award ceremony. They are the real stars and everybody has more than 1 million followers, thousands of followers. So I felt they are being left out. So I thought before this EFE gets over, we will plan an award function for all the influencers. So the thought came and we came at it between 15 days of all these arrangements.